Yo, what do you think of this book? Yo, I heard the book was real good. You should get it. Yeah, I was thinking about checking it out, maybe. Sorry. Yo, I was thinking about checking it out. Did you read it? Yeah, I read it a bit, and I really like the... So, should I get the book then? Yeah, I think you should. Okay, so I'm gonna check it out, and maybe... Oh, so I'm not allowed to cough now. Simon, chill. We're in a library. No, I don't care. Why are you shushing us for the tiniest things? Because there are children here trying to study, you little ingrate. The only reason kids come in here is to play cool math games all day. And do you hear them making noises in here? No, and I don't see them checking out a book either. If you ask us, we're doing you a favor. Do you want to go to the principal? Do you? Okay, I'm just looking at the camera to let you know that whispering is not good for your mental health, so don't whisper or enough of this. Either lower your voices or get out of my library. Okay. Now what I want you to do is... Oh my god, did I make a loud noise? I'm sorry.